Hi
Okay.
Siddharth, how are you doing?
Hey,
Hi.
Hi
Hi,
Dharmesh,
Sid. How
how
are
are
you?
you doing?
We are
Great,
great. We
great.
are
How are
great.
you?
How's it going?
Thank-
How's Speed of Sound doing?
Great. We are
Great,
having
yeah.
an amazing response towards the song.
Superb. Yeah, I
Yeah.
also had such a great time working on it, and good to see you guys after a bit. It's been quite some time now since we spoke last.
Yes. Yes. It actually has, and I was just curious to understand exactly how your experience was with a startup like ours. A record label that has like had their debut production with someone like you and your dad. So we just want to ask you about your experiences and how do you like the music also as a part of the entire
And what
process.
was your first reaction when you heard our track? Yeah.
Yeah, honestly, more than anything, Dharma and Abhinav, the thing was that when you sent me the track itself, it was so cool and it was very different, and the kind of
Yeah.
response. Uh, we'll talk about the response a little later, but like I'll tell you what I thought of. I really thought it was a very fresh, very unique track, and it really appealed to me instantly. So I had no hesitation in saying yes to do it and like work with you guys. And what I really liked about y'all was that though y'all are just starting in this field and doing something new, I think
Yeah.
y'all had a focus and y'all knew what y'all wanted from the get go. Y'all had a very clear
Yeah.
idea as to what y'all wanted, what was the
Yeah.
sound y'all were looking at, what y'all wanted to portray. Even for that matter, from the video perspective, I remember you had already thought of what you wanted in the video before we even recorded the song. So I think
Yeah.
that clarity is something that is amazing, and I think that will take you guys places. So amazing, great work.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Means a lot.
Thank you so much.
Anytime.
Yeah. Yeah. But like I also want to know from you, like when the video came out and when it was completely edited and produced properly, it was also mastered at Abbey Road, and then we got it back. I wanna hear from you in terms of how did you feel when you saw yourself up on the screen there at the end product level.
See, honestly, it was a very cool experience because it was all done remotely because of the times that we are living in.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
Unfortunately, we couldn't shoot together, and the funny part is that none of us have ever met in person. It's always been these Zoom calls.
Yeah.
So,
Yes.
but honestly, from what we shot, with the team coming and shooting us to seeing the final edit and the video, I think it looked super cool, and I loved the whole edit. It was very cool
Right.
to have a couple of my friends also in the video, which was
Right.
quite awesome. I had and Alicia,
Right. Right.
extremely talented. Alicia is a fantastic dancer
Right.
and choreographer. I think that's her debut choreographer. I think
Yes, it is. It
she's
is.
a choreographer. But yeah, she's been dancing for so many years, so it's great to see her also on this, and have Akshay, who's a very dear friend of mine, on board. I think it felt like such a team effort, and the video looked fantastic. The edit, the way all shot the opening, and the lighting, everything looked great. So I was extremely thrilled and happy to see the final product when we saw it on television, and when we saw
Awesome.
the final edit, and when you sent me the final link before you all uploaded
Right.
it. It
Right.
was
That was going to be my next question. Generally that was going to be my next question as to what was your reaction when you got to know it's all your group mates doing a collaboration together.
So yeah, obviously it's a very cool feeling because I know these guys for like I think 10 years now, maybe even more. I don't know. So they're like really close friends of mine, and we've done so much masti. But this is, I think, the first time we've worked together on a project, and it happened also like so organically with you guys
Right.
going with those people, and so it was a very thrilling and a very cool experience because you don't get to do this every day. In the music
Yeah.
field,
True.
we keep doing that, but not with music videos. In the music field, you have a lot of singers and music producers, or
Right.
lyricists who
Right.
are very good friends of yours who you keep collaborating on a very what I can say regular
Basically.
interval,
Huh,
on a
huh,
very regular interval. But this
Yeah.
was quite unique to have them in the video, featuring with me and my dad, and that was
Right.
really awesome.
How was
I think
Shankar's reaction? We never
yeah,
got.
that's
How was
exactly what I was
Shankar's
going to.
reaction? Yeah.
So when I played, honestly, this this thing, the track initially, if you remember when we had discussed about it, Dad was not in the picture, but when you guys told me that you all wanted to have him on board also along with me, so I played the song to him, and I remember he thought it was very, very cool. Even his response was very similar to mine, and he was also instantaneously he said, "Yeah, let's do it." You know, so he came in and he added his flavor to it. I had my vibe, and then it was superb, yeah, with the whole English parts and the rap and the whole production. It was superb. I think everybody who's collaborated on this song has done a fantastic job.
Right.
And also, I think this song, we got in touch, Abhinav, because of Akshay only, right? So that's another cool thing. So
you know, I'll tell you. So what happened? So when I spoke to Akshay, you know, I knew you were good friends with Akshay because, you know, he knows me since I was born. So he knows me since around 20 years. Of course, we are cousins, you know. So I saw you on his Instagram post and all, and I heard your song. So then you are the first person that came to my mind, and I told Dharma, "Ki Dharma, abhi Siddharth Mahadevan is the best person to sing this song, and let's go ahead with him." Because we had so many people.
I remember you called me for the first time. You said, you know, the power of, you know, when you heard Zinda or Bhag Milka Bhag, one of those songs, that sort of vibe.
First reaction when I heard that, no, Bhag Milka Bhag ka rock version, was the time I said कि नहीं, ऐसा note कोई नहीं मार सकता. I think Siddharth is the final person.
Thank you. And no, thank you for having me on board for the debut song of Speed of Sound. So yeah, it will be very special, and hopefully this platform and your record company does really, really well in bringing out some, you know, fresh and exciting music. That's what we expect from you guys.
Right. Yeah, for sure.
You're also a composer, so, you know, we were also thinking that when we have good talent coming up, we'll of course recommend that you can launch them, and, you know, that's how you build networks, you know. So that's what we decided, that once we have good talent, we'll recommend Siddharth, if you can look at these talents, so they also feel nice. And, you know,
we as composers, we as composers, we constantly are looking at new people, new voices, new people to work with, and that's what we are looking at, you know. And if you have a place where you have these bunch of, you know, young, aspiring, really, really talented kids, we are more than happy and more than welcome to, you know, call them over and at least get them to try a couple of songs out for us. So for sure, yeah, in the future, whenever you have a good, you know, portfolio of singers that you all know in your network and you all have worked with or you all have launched or recorded with, please do recommend. I would love to, you know, hear them and work with them.
It's such a sweet thing to say, Siddharth. Thank you so much.
Yeah, of course. So when we have a good portfolio of artists, now we are going to launch 3 artists every week. So of course, we'll also send those links to you. You can also have a look at them, and then you know, you'll also feel nice that someone like Siddharth Mahadevan and the whole Mahadevan family is getting associated with the platform, and they are also getting exposed to such good.
But Abhinav, we also spoke to Sid about, you know, this entire fervor that we have towards building this company, and why we are doing it is to basically give an impetus to the independent musicians of the UK, right? So Siddharth, do you want to comment on that, and do you want to comment on what exactly it is that you felt, and you kind of had a synergy with us in thinking about the same mission, you know, towards the independent musician scene all over the world?
See, the most important thing in the world for any musician is expressing their own music, you know. When you as an artist, see, we are working constantly on new music, but all the time the music that we are working on is not our music that we want to put out from the heart. You're either doing music for an ad film, or you're doing music for a Bollywood film, or a Marathi film in my case, or a Bollywood, you know, it's just a single or whatever, where you have beef, you have a situation, you have you know, there is a particular theme behind the song, or there's a particular reason why the song is there in the film. So there are so many things that go behind when you start composing the track or start creating the track. Whereas when you're doing independent music, the sky is the limit, man. As a musician, you can express yourself in any way. You can do absolutely any genre that you like, or any music that appeals to your heart, or today you feel like doing a sad song, you can do it because that's your music and that's what you want to express. And I think for any musician to have a platform to express themselves in this way is really, really important. And this was not the case, I would say, maybe around 5 or 7 years back. This whole thing of independent music and independent musicians coming out and putting their work out and launching singles and doing collaborations has started in the last 2-3 years. It's become big with all these rappers or things like that. So in the UK also, I'm sure people are just waiting, like, please aake hame ek platform do, like just give us a place.
Exact. Yeah, sure.
So one of the USPs is also the collaboration thing. What was your reaction about the collaboration thing? Because I just mentioned before, right? See, we are always looking to work with new artists. See, even when we create a song, whether it's our composition, I always believe it is a collaborative effort in creating any song. Like, though even I'm the composer, but maybe for all songs I might not do the music arrangement. I might get somebody on board to do the music arrangement, or I might get somebody on board to play a guitar riff and write a nice riff around the song. So what happens is everybody's small contributions, when it comes collaboratively, it just turns into a fantastic product. And like when you're collaborating with artists, there's always so many more ideas because you're sort of restricted here, and then this guy comes in with his own take on your song, or you come in on your take with his song, or you'll co-write a song together. So there are like infinite different possibilities when collaborations come together. And then when you're able to meet these artists on a platform like this and sit down, reach out to them, and you think this guy will be cool for a track like whatever genre, so you just reach out to them, work it out, chat up, and just get going. I think it's a great
also I think, Sid, with regards to how Speedo Sound Records can also help the Bollywood industry in terms of the music part of it. What do you have to say about that in terms of bringing together independent musicians and giving them a break, or giving them a film to work on, something like that makes them much more commercialized in general, as in terms of their careers.
I don't know how it's going to help the Bollywood industry, but what it will do is definitely help these artists get a platform to put their music out, which will make them popular. And once they're popular in one space, Bollywood is such that people just want anybody who's popular. So anybody who's popular, they want to work with them. So anyway, automatically they start getting more work. And also nowadays, something that happens hugely, which has started happening now recently, is say your artists have created a slamming kick-ass song. Now a film is going on floor, and maybe the director, or I don't know, the producer, he loves that song and he wants it in his film. It becomes huge licensing play where your record company can just license the song to them for them to use it in the film. Now that becomes huge because then there's such an open catalog. That's what happens abroad in Hollywood films, that very rarely there are songs that are actually made for the film, unless it's a musical or it's a very situational based scene. Otherwise, 90% of the times you'll see there are all English tracks in the background score of the film or whatever. They're all licensed out from the artists, whether they're using Rahman sir's songs have been used in Hollywood films, which was that song? I think Chhaiya Chhaiya was in the opening credits of some English film.
Yeah.
So things like that have happened, and I think with putting your independent music out, if it's in Hindi, Bollywood films are definitely going to be able to pick up. Like you see Tony Kakkar, he's done a couple of songs that now the film guys have picked up and used it in their films, whether the Coca-Cola 2 or one of
the and so many.
Yeah, so all those were his singles, right? And then they picked it up and they wanted to do it, like use it in the film. So that's how I think the whole side of Bollywood can be tapped with Speedo Sound.
Yeah, because another thing is, it's a whole journey as to, if you are an independent musician who has made music, you can come to the platform. If you've not even made music, you only have a melody in mind, you can still come and use the collaboration aspect, commercialize your music, get launched, and then if you are popular, if your music is sold, people from Bollywood also approach you. So it's a proper journey.
Yeah, I think it's a wholesome platform that you all have, and obviously it will take some time for it to reach its potential, but
Yeah, absolutely.
it's always slow and steady wins the race. They say it right.
Yes.
So
Yes. Yes. Yes.
you just have to keep focused and get the right people on board with you.
To be
I-
very honest, Siddharth, like Abhinav and I have we have faced a few things, and like we have understood the fact that slow and steady always wins the race. So I think patience is the key, and you just have to basically keep growing your
Patience and
business.
quality, these are two
Quality,
things.
exactly.
Your
Right.
product needs to be of the highest quality, and you need to be patient because good quality will always shine. Like it will
For
always shine through. And if it's something that people want, they will express it that they want it. So sometimes a new platform like this can have a little, यार कैसे ये use करते हैं कि नहीं, this apprehension is there, but it's all about breaking that apprehension with artists to tell them that no,
Right.
it actually works. Let's use it.
That is where the video comes into play. People like you and Shankar sir, when they sing for a company like us, and when they get to know that big people are involved here, they of course have some trust. That's why we decided of doing an ad campaign with you and Shankar sir, because you have your own fan following, so they will of course have their own trust कि ये लोग कोई करेंगे collaboration, तो वो अच्छा ही collaboration होगा, and they will only do it with a good company.
That's great. Yeah. That's a right thought. Like when you get the right people on board, like when you have, especially when you begin, like the standard and the quality of your music needs to be of a certain level, and to create an impact, कि it should be more like an aspirational thing कि मुझे भी इधर जाके यार I want to find somebody to collaborate with, or I want to find somebody to work with. So yeah, I think you guys are on the right path. So let's hope. Looking forward to.
Thank you.
Yeah. We
Awesome.
also want to do many more collaborations in the future. Once we grow, we'll do many more collaborations in the future.
For sure.
All right. Thank you so much, Siddharth, for being on the call with
Guys,
us. Because, yeah.
Thank you so much. I wish you all the best with this venture, and you all have my support whenever you all need it. And it was a very, very smooth and an awesome experience working with you guys. And the whole team, I think, of Speedo Sound has done a great job putting together this song, because that's the aspect where I come in. So great job, and hopefully we'll do some more work together in the future.
Yeah,
sure.
100%.
100%. Okay.
Hello.
Hey,
What's
Akshay.
up?
What's up?
Hey Akshay, how are you doing?
What's up? Speed of Sound Records, family and friends and brothers and not so sisters. Obviously, no sisters. But what's up, guys? How are you guys doing?
Good. How are you?
Great.
How are you?
Amazing.
Us chilling. It's almost Diwali now, and मजा आ रहा है. Chill कर रहे. काम चालू है. Diwali times.
Yeah.
How is it going for y'all? How is Speed of Sounds?
Actually, I actually want to ask you, man. It's been like 100,000 views on the video, and how do you feel about it?
That is crazy. That is some bat beep crazy. Obviously, I'm gonna censor and talk when I'm getting filled with emotions. But yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, like
Song. Yeah, it's only been 2 weeks.
yeah, man, it's crazy. Yeah, like coming from a startup and getting this good at this early stage, it's mind blowing, man. Congratulations to you guys. Congratulations to all of us. And lovely, yaar. Congrats,
All
yaar.
of us, yeah, 100%.
Yes, man, that's crazy stuff. और बताओ यार, like what's been happening? How is it going? What are people?
No, Akshay, we actually want to hear from you, since you were the actor for the rap part. In
The
terms
lead
of,
part.
Yeah, I mean, not in terms of acting that part, in terms of understanding how is it going to be. Was it a challenge for you, or was it something that you were for?
So the first time I think Abhinav, he called me and he spoke to me. He's like, Akshay, will you do a rap? And I was like, huh? Rap? Kya? Kaise? Kyun? Kahan? Because I didn't know earlier about the project, and when he told me about the rap thing, like I was like, okay, fine, I don't mind doing it. Like I'm not camera shy or anything like that. I don't care about looking into the camera. But how do I go for a rap? Like whenever I try to rap like the top songs like of Eminem and all these guys, Eminem to chalo is like god level, but whoever, like even for a gully boy, It's a Bollywood movie. I tried to rap for it, and I'm like, da 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 blah, 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 blah. It keeps going blah 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 after a point of time. And that was like my biggest scare. Like I was happy, excited, but I was like scared कि मतलब कि rap कैसे होगा यार? Like कैसे करेंगे ये rap? कैसे होएगा? कितना मेरे को practice करना पड़ेगा? क्या होता? Because I've never done like a rap in anything, let alone be a video. So it was a very big of a challenge for me, an exciting challenge, but like I was looking forward to it. And I think like around 10-15 days before we started the shooting, Abhinav had messaged me all the details about the rap is and everything, and I'm like, भाई यार मतलब हिंदी में एक बात होती है तो इंग्लिश में और रैप करना पड़ रहा है, like because like I was like, don't unplug the wire, stay connected to the source, king call me sire, they say this is what was happening with me for the first 5 days at least.
You know what happened, Dharma? So I'll tell you a story from my end. So when you told me कि अभी इंडिया में करना पड़ेगा shoot, and I was like the first person who comes to my mind is only Akshay. वो एकदम rapper, you know, till I didn't see Instagram, no, उसके पहले से ही मुझे मालूम था कि you know वो black में अक्षय को खड़ा कर देते, मजा आ जाएगा.
अब मेरे बाल were also like blonde and everything, so I've sort of cut it as a full rapper, like yeah was the vibe. But I think the hair color naturally I did it in July, but somehow things clicked and it fit better in the video, I feel, and it went with the flow. So it was like an exciting thing, and like it's amazing how just ends meet, and that's how it met, like how the entire thing went across.
What a coincidence that all you friends, all the college friends coming together in one project, no?
Exactly, it was exciting. Yeah, like I think we had done something like this for our friend's 18th birthday. That was approximately around 7-8 years ago, and it was like a crazy experience. Like Siddharth, Alisha, myself, you guys, it was like a crazy fun experience. More than work, it didn't seem like work for a single minute. It was like just we all are chilling, we all are like ऐसे college की गली के बाहर बैठ के chill करके, like how you see these guys making these TikToks and reels and everything. It felt like that, but obviously it was on a grander, more posh, more clean scale, and it never felt like work. Like that one day was one of the most fun days because it was like and thrilling. We'll be getting to that front also, but first like other things we'll speak about, we'll get about details about those things the entire day. We'll soon get to that also.
Okay.
I'll Dharma, one second. Let me ask one question there. How was the experience, whole experience, as in whole detailed experience of how was it working with Speed of Sound? Something different?
It was like above my expectations. Like I was like, for me, when you guys told me about the music video and everything, first things I was like little cautious about the fact that you guys are doing a startup and it's like a whole overwhelming experience for you guys to go on such a grand scale. And I was frankly impressed. I was shocked at how well it was managed, and more than anything, my experience was phenomenal. Like I had a lot of fun. I'm sure you guys also had a lot of fun because we were like, I don't think like when we shoot for like music videos, ad films, etc., there's a lot of screaming, shouting, seriousness. But for this, I don't think like there was this natural seriousness that was coming out. But it was like such a fun and a candid and a superb experience. Like it was mind blowing. Like maza aa gaya tha.
So since it's our debut and all that, and did you expect? After you looked at the post production and then you looked at yourself, and I also showed you a couple of footages when I was in Mumbai with you, when we met at BSC, right? Yeah. So did you expect that like kind of return? Because in terms of what we had, like I had not expected that it would turn out so well. Like in terms of the lip sync and everything going on well, the editing and the lights and all that, I felt like it was beautifully done. And so did you have that in mind, or were you thinking of something else?
So very frankly, I'm just going to tell you one thing. First thing, when I saw the set, I was like impressed. Like it looked classy, it looked very artistic, and I had a certain level of expectations because of the way the entire things were set up and how the entire things were there, and the entire concept and everything, how we spoke about it. I will say, like in terms of the experience and the expectations, I think you guys blew it. Like you guys blew it to another level. Like you made it that good. It was actually like above my expectations, and frankly, it was like, wow. I think we were a couple of beers down, me and Dharma. We were just chilling over there with like a couple of more friends. And I think I was like, wow, this looks like crazy. Like, I expected something and it was above my expectations, because I'm saying very frankly, I was like, I had really serious expectations, and you guys just took it to another level, because the way it's come out, it looks phenomenal. Like, it looks super artistic and it looks like polished and clean, and the way it's edited, the way it looks, it's superb. Like, I love that part. So that was my first.
Glad you liked it.
Let people also know about the cheat.
The cheats. I mean, like, as I already spoke about how I was like after like 2 lines of rap. So it was like a hell of a task for me. Like, we were rehearsing in and out. There was a situation, actually, I'll just tell you guys about the situation that had happened. Like, Abhinav, me and Dharma obviously know about it, but for everyone watching this video, so in the first part of the video, there's a shot where the girls are coming out of the tub and everything, and obviously, like, it's like अभी कोई भी ऐसा एक shot में तो होता नहीं है. So बार like the girls were going in the tub of water and they were coming out, so they needed some towels, and unfortunately we ran out of towels. अभी मतलब यार startup है यार, मतलब कि होता है ups and downs. That's what we decided कि हाँ चलो अभी towels नहीं है, and we were shooting in mud, which is like approximately 10 kilometers or 12 kilometers of Bombay traffic outside the main Bombay. So we had to go we had to go and scout for some towels in the middle of nowhere. So obviously we didn't have anyone. So I left with Abhinav and one more friend of mine, Zinni. We three left in the cab to go and get towels. And because the rap and me were prime enemies before the music video, I was like, चलो अभी जा ही रहे हैं, अभी टाइम है, 1-1.5 घंटा है हमारे पास, तो let's start with the rehearsals. Let's start with doing something like a rehearsal. And my oh man, like, लोगों ने मिरर के आगे रिहर्सल्स किए, लोगों ने दुनिया में सब चीजों के आगे रिहर्सल किए, एक और बंदे के आगे रिहर्सल किए, लेकिन उबर वाले के साथ कभी रिहर्सल्स नहीं हुए हैं.
उबर वाले विद ट्रैफिक,
उबर वाला ट्रैफिक, एंड मतलब ऐसे लग रहा था कि मतलब we were getting so much into the groove. I remember me, Abhinav and Zinni, we were just rehearsing. ऐसे लग रहा था at a point of time like we are going in sync with the traffic and the horns. Like, don't unplug the wire, stay connected to the cedar sap. Actually, it actually felt like that कि मतलब वो इतना घुस गया था हमारे अंदर.
But it's actually good, man. It kind of gave you that ambience, and it kind of nurtured your imagination. And like I think like once you were back to kind of shoot it, you were in form. And I was like, Abhinav, तूने क्या किया? तूने क्या जादू किया अक्षय के साथ? तूने क्या कुछ अलग किया? And you came in like a proper rapper. I'm like, this is the look I wanted. This is the kind of movement I wanted. And then I was like, damn, I was damn happy. I was damn overwhelmed. That was pretty awesome, man. Like the way you coped up with it, and the way you looked at the camera and you finished it off. It was damn cool. And Abhinav, I think you should also share a little bit of what you had to do once he was recording in front of the camera.
Yeah, so I was in front of the camera with the laptop, standing for 2-3 hours. It was hurting my bum, but that's okay. We had to do it for the video, so that's what I have to do.
I remember.
That's one of the most interesting parts, and that's one of the most interesting parts. People won't know about it because we don't have the behind the scenes. But it was very interesting. It was something new, not interesting, but it was new for me because I was never expecting कि ऐसा होता है shoot पे. कैमरा के सामने lyrics पकड़े तो भी ऐसा लगेगा नहीं कि he is not looking in the camera. So then it was a new experience for me.
It was honestly a situation where there was a time, I remember, the DOP and the cameraman were just standing and उन लोग भी जाके rest कर रहे हैं, लेकिन Abhinav continuously was like, I'm obviously holding the laptop, you guys can't see it, but for example, this is the laptop and Abhinav is like, I'm standing there and Abhinav is like, okay, ये देखो, ऐसे just continuously in front of me under the camera झुक के ऐसे खड़े हैं. And the cameraman, and there was a time, I think there was one of the scenes when the DOP and the cameraman weren't there and Abhinav was still standing over there and he was like in front and we were like, अभी वो कैमरा वाला नहीं है, अभी तो बैठ जा तू यार, आराम कर, कितना टाइम खड़ा रहेगा यार.
Akshay was like, को पकड़ा के खड़ा कर दे. मैं बोलूँ नहीं, वो सिनर्जी ऐसी है ना कि टू ब्रदर्स नो, वैसा ही सिनर्जी है कि जब पकड़ के खड़ा रहूंगा और यू नो वो मूवमेंट मुझे मालूम पड़ेगा कि कब किसको कहाँ देखना है, बिकॉज यू नो आई वाज द वन हू मेड हिम प्रैक्टिस. सो कोई थर्ड पर्सन को आके खड़ा कर दूंगा तो फिर it take so much time. तो मतलब
because when we were rehearsing, Abhinav was actually helping me a lot in the rehearsals over there, because obviously like he had a complete idea and I think Dharma was taking care of the whole set. So Abhinav was with me when we were traveling. So both of y'all, hats off to y'all to actually pulling off like roles amazingly and complementing each other in terms of doing all the work. Completely hats off, and like you guys did a superb job over there, undoubtedly. And it was crazy fun, yeah. Like it was like everything, right from the best thing another in this current situation, taking care of all the safety protocols, which is like a very underrated thing what people don't understand in the music video. The safety protocols you all took was like also amazing, because we were like a team of 20-25 people shooting, and Abhinav and Dharma, I remember they are continuously running. Dharma is running by telling people mask uppa karo, mask uppa karo, mask uppa karo, urine wale aayenge, tumko bhi marenge, humko bhi marenge, shoot band karayenge, sab mask uppa pakad ke chalo. And Abhinav on the contrary carrying a sanitizer, सबको बोल रहे हैं हाँ sanitizer लो ना ये लो. Very very underrated thing, but yeah, you guys took care of that also, because obviously like the situation we were in, this was approximately like a month ago almost, where we shot. The situations were much worse in Bombay. So that was also well taken care of, along with all the facts of the music video. So it was an all-round amazing feel over there.
One question, Akshay, I just had in mind was, what was your first reaction when you heard the song? You know, the final song, when Shankar sir and Siddharth complimenting each other.
Oh my god! Like I was like blown off completely. Like especially like Siddharth's thing was like, the high notes were kicking to another level. Like it was like whoa. When I heard Siddharth's voice, it was like whoa. This is like crazy. The high notes were going to another level. And when I heard Shankar Uncle's part, oh my god! Like now also I don't know. Like in the laptop camera, it might not be seen, but there are goosebumps for the alap that he sings. My god! Like he's a legend and there is no comparison to that, but Siddharth and Shankar Uncle both have killed it to another level. Like I was like whoa. And then there was my man King Wisdom chilling with the Speed of Sound. I actually spoke to him, really fun guy, yeah? Like bro, like literally like a bro over there. So it was like a whole great experience and super fun and amazing to listen to their voices coming all together. Thanks to Speed of Sounds was like a magic blended in a mixer, in a grinder, and then a beautiful thing that blossomed out.
No, thank you so much for being a part of it, and to even like to kind of agree to kind of doing this part, because सबसे पहले rap is something that is, if you don't know how to do it and if you can't carry it on, then you can't do it. But you kind of had the confidence and you kind of gave it a go. So I think that is very very kind of appreciable about you. And the fact that you have the spirit about saying that नहीं करेंगे यार, कुछ ना कुछ कर लेंगे, and then actually it turned out so well. So I think overall the spirit was so beautiful, Akshay, and it was great. Yeah, it was great. So I mean, yeah, Abhinav, anything else you want to add?
Behind the scenes also, hats off to him for behind the scenes, helping us getting connected with Siddharth and then Alicia.
Absolutely.
How can we miss that? Yeah.
We all one big family, man. Like there were so many, like the reason why things also came in place was because of the positive vibes I got from y'all and from the entire positivity and the entire situation. Like it just fell all in place, and that's why I always had that attitude कि नहीं कुछ ना कुछ हो जाएगा, कुछ कर लेंगे, because there were so many positive vibes coming from everyone, even on the set. Like it was like fun.
Right.
It's super fun.
I also remember one more part here. During my birthday, Akshay called me and he was like, कि नहीं Abhinav, कोई ना कोई singer मिल जाएगा and all, and he was like कि तू चिंता मत कर, I have many friends, I'll bring you a singer. And I was very confident कि Akshay, because that's what I told Dharma कि Dharma, don't worry, कोई ना कोई singer मिल ही जाएगा. वो अक्षय पे मुझे भरोसा है.
I think getting Siddharth and Shankar Uncle was like the best thing that could happen to y'all, because those guys just create magic. Yeah, like it's unreal. And it's unreal how the dots connected also and how things fell into place. And I would say like thank you to those two people, Siddharth and Shankar uncle, and to you guys. Sorry, I just got a call. One second. Yeah. So thank you to you guys and thank you to Shankar uncle and Siddharth uncle, and nothing to take from King Wisdom also, our man, but you guys made it happen. Yeah, like it was too much fun. Yeah.
Right. No, I was actually also wanting to understand from your side, what do you think in terms of the, like the combination of rap and something that is like a proper Bollywood anthem coming together? So what did you understand? Like, what do you think about that kind of a genre and, kind of having that mix in there?
See, just to add to that, yeah, there were 3 genres in one song. That's the first time I ever heard a song like that.
Yeah.
See, frankly, when I like to go right to the scratch of things, that's what I'm gonna say, from scratch of things. So, frankly, like when Abhinav first told me about the concept, I was like little confused कि यार ये कैसे होगा कि मतलब 2-3 genre एक गाने के अंदर mix होके, how is it possible? And then I was like, ठीक है चलो, because first I heard only the rap part before Shankar uncle and Siddharth's part came. Before that, I only heard the rap part and I was like, हाँ ये तो must बैठ रहा है. And I was like कि अभी इसके साथ वो mixed होके कैसे होगा, क्या होगा, कैसे होगा. And then I was like, चलो, let's see now, let's see whenever it comes out. And the first time I heard it, I was like, भाई, this is like magic that's happened over here. It is unreal because we actually, like, you guys actually managed to completely combine 3 different genres, and it was like outstanding. Yeah. Like, too much fun, and like I don't know how you guys managed to pull it off. It was like when you hear about it, it's like, अरे कैसे होएगा? But when it happened, okay, yeah, you have to actually hear it to believe it. It was that good.
Awesome. I think that's a good tagline for us, Abhinav. Hear it to believe it. I think
I need some credits for it then.
Done. Obviously. But yeah, man. Thank you again for being a part of it and all your support and all your contacts and everything. I think it was amazing, Abhinav. What do you say?
Yeah, it was an amazing experience. Amazing. Thank you so much, Akshay. Thank you so much.
Thank you again so much, Akshay.
We're going to do more collaborations now. Of course, we're not looking to do a collaboration in India, but of course abroad, because we don't know if you're going to come back after we go in January.
I wish you guys all the best. I wish Speed of Sounds Records all the best. Guys, it is Speed of Sound Records. If you'll type just Speed of Sound on YouTube, you'll just find some science things. So it is Speed of Sound Records. To check out all their super fun, super cool videos in the future. And just one thing, watch out for these guys. These guys are going to come for you and they're going to come for you big. And I wish Dharma and Abhinav all the best, all the love. And hopefully things work out with the way, because you guys are really putting your hard work and your love and all your heart into it. And I hope things really kick off for you guys, because you all deserve it to make impossible things happen. So love you guys and superb work, man.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Hi guys.
Hey guys.
How's
it going? Good, yeah. We are amazing. How are you?
Great. Are you guys riding high on the success of the song?
Oh yes, absolutely.
We're celebrating on the 19th.
Yeah, 19th we have a nice party and 100,000 views. So it's pretty big. And first of all, it was an amazing experience. Yeah, amazing experience collaborating with you all. Yeah, it was fucking cool, awesome. So yeah, what do you guys have to say about it?
Equally amazing for us too.
Yes,
I'm sure.
definitely. It was one of the best experiences.
Well, the best part was Rashi in the tub.
Anybody in the tub. I don't think she was unique in her experience at all. People would have probably drowned sooner than she did.
And like I still remember when she was shivering, and so it was but like I have to say one thing about Rashi. Like
I also have one more point: the chaos of the costume.
Oh my god. The Dance India dance extras you guys are looking like, and then we had to change the entire thing. But yeah. All in all, I think but like Rashi was brave. She had the guts to do it again and again, so that's pretty cool.
We should definitely talk about her experience in the water.
Yeah.
Yeah. shivering all the time, and then for those 30 seconds I have to stop and somehow just give the shot. It was mad, but I think it was one of the best experiences. And
Like she's the only one who would have been able to do justice to something as challenging as this in her first ever music video. Like I still can't believe that.
Like, can you speak
we
more
thought
about that? How was the whole overall experience of your first music video? Yeah.
it was, I have no words. Really, it was so good, and when it came out so well, we just simply so happy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Money, the entire team did a really good job. Like
Yeah.
it also matters
Yes,
that
the whole team.
every single one of them.
Absolutely. It was amazing. Yeah. So let's just get down to the questions. So in terms of because Alisha, we were speaking about the fact that how choreographers and dancers are treated as props on the sets of films and stuff, right? What was different about this experience with Speed of Sound?
I think the mere fact that it genuinely felt like a team of artists collaborating, artists who respect each other's art, process, method and opinion, views. Like there was it was a very good organic space where everybody was very collaborative and not just collaborative to say, but collaborative in actions, like in reality.
Right.
And
Right.
it was very refreshing. It was very calming also, because honestly my experience on set has been very high tension, high stress, time running, which is all understandable, but I still feel there is a calm demeanor that can be maintained throughout, don't you think?
Yes.
Like, because it affects the energy of the people on board, right? Like any
Right.
person who's on set is equally stressed, is equally wanting to make the job the best possible. So
Right.
how do you do that in a way that doesn't tick someone else off, So that good
Yeah.
vibe and good energy was the reason why everything went so smoothly, and I'm sure you guys have entire credit to take for it, because you said it, you said it that way. So good job with that.
No, thank you so much. But see, this is exactly what we are looking at. We want to basically change a lot of things in the industry.
You want
right?
to democratize the whole industry,
Yeah, and
how
like
the people are treated.
right, and also like give the artists the respect that they deserve, because India mein exploitation hota hai. I have been trained in music in the UK, so there the artists are very liberal and they're given as much respect as they want, right? So bringing that culture to the Indian market is what we're also looking at. I mean, that's also a byproduct of what we want to do.
Yeah, I completely agree, because fortunately or unfortunately, we've been in a very protected space. Our training and bringing up as dancers has been in a very secluded from the industry vibe kind of space where we both trained. And it was
Right.
a lot international performances, everything also were more outdoors. So we did gain and kind of grow in that respect. Then to get a reality check and to go outside and work in the industry, to see the treatment drop so low is very disappointing, because at the end of the day, we are putting not 1% less intent than any other artist out there.
Right.
And if they can be respected, why shouldn't we? I just fail to understand why maybe people don't have, at least before, didn't have the knowledge of how much work and caliber it takes to take dance up as a profession. And now
Sure.
it's coming up, people are respecting it a lot more, which is great.
Right.
Hopefully that will also add to the seeing us no different than any other profession and even any other art form.
Yeah, of course, you all deserve the respect, of course, according to the hard work you guys put in.
No, definitely. And that's exactly what our paradigm is also, to basically imbibe things from the Western culture in terms of the work ethic, and bringing it to Mumbai and the industry.
The whole Speed of Sound is a out of the box idea.
Yeah, it
We
is.
have a
it
very
is.
unique business model, and
Yeah, I'm sure they know about
Yeah.
it. Do they know about it?
they don't know.
They
about
don't know
it.
about it. It's fine. You guys will through our marketing agency. But yeah, that's basically what our philosophy is. But so in general, working with y'all was also a very new thing for me as a producer, and also for you obviously. Because I've composed a lot of music before, but composing music on top of that, thinking about a concept and kind of directing a video, collaborating with people like you was a fucking beautiful experience. So yeah.
It was the first time experience for me to see how a song is made, how a video is made, because I've never seen this. I'm from a business background. It's just my passion that has attracted me towards this project.
Absolutely. So
It was
pretty cool.
for us too, honestly, because like the song, I remember, I mean, we definitely, both of us would want to talk about this, like this needs to be out. When we first heard the song on your Bluetooth speakers in that room, that the original track, it was a
Yeah.
whole different, it was a whole, like, we were just like, thank God before we had this very sensory experience, we could tap into the vision of the song because the choreography happened in, much in advance.
Right,
And I think
right.
that was a kind of a trick. Like, I feel like fortunately it just worked out that I was able to envision on the larger horizon, because if I wouldn't have been able to see what I felt and do justice to that, then it would have been like just
I think it definitely changed the way we came across, or even on camera, because after we heard that, it was just different. The way we moved came out really well. Like it, before that, it felt we were not feeling it completely. It was just doing it, and then we were actually feeling it. So I think it made a lot of difference, and it was amazing.
No, because there's a lot of difference, a huge difference between the scratch and the main track. So then, it changes the feel of the song. Yeah.
So apart from Siddharth Mahadevan and Shankar Mahadevan voices, adding inexplicable soul to it, which we did not hear until that moment, where it was just like, wow, like, it takes a singer of very high skill to be able to take a song to a level that is, crossing boundaries. So that was really an honor to.
It was
actually magic.
It was like, obviously, like Shankar Mahadevan,
the legend.
He's a legend. So
we've all grown up on every single song of his, and even like Siddharth has such a soulful voice. Like both of them singing, it's just like to dance on that is an honor, because there's so much soul. You have to do justice to it.
Even the first time when we spoke to Shankar Mahadevan, we kind of shared our experiences with his movies. So for me it was Dil Chahta Hai,
and for me it was Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara.
Yeah, so we told him that very frankly, that sir, this is what we know, and it's been an amazing journey throughout. So speaking to you today is like
he made us so comfortable. Earlier we were so nervous. Shankar Mahadevan ke saath Zoom call hai, but then he made us so comfortable.
It became a very natural.
Yeah.
So in terms of the choreography, what do you have to say about that, Alisha and Rashi?
Yeah, how was your first choreography experience? That's one of the most important questions. Yeah.
It was, to be very, very, very honest, I feel very fortunate that this was my first choreography experience, because you guys were so liberal. It nothing as good as getting the creative freedom to have a vision of your own be executed. And while Dharma, you did tell me that you want a vision of like two people coming out of the water. Just with that, for me to after that graph how it would also Divya's voice is really out of this world. Like, I mean, it was like, for me, I heard the voice and I was like, oh God, I have to do justice to this in the best way possible. And whatever vision that came to me organically, I just experimented, tried, and I think my process is very natural. Like, I'm a big music freak. If I have to choose between music and dancing, I would choose music. So for me, the way I heard it and the way I perceive it is the justice that I want to do it even through the movement. There's always dynamic you can add, but at least an introduction to the song needs to be as pure as it is coming from the singer's soul, So
absolutely.
I tried to incorporate that in the process, and so it was the freedom that I got from you guys is the reason why it came out the way that it did, and there is nobody else who would have been able to do justice to it physically as Rashi.
Yeah.
Rashi, now that's about your experience. Yeah, again.
The fact that y'all were so receptive to us with the camera. Yes, we had made a certain set of choreography. Like, she had made it, and there was a set. But then after coming and seeing how the camera works and how receptive you guys were to changing and to us giving our inputs, I think that was really nice. And from what Alisha told me, since this is my first ever experience, people are not so receptive, and that was something I think which was really nice and made it so smooth.
Yeah. No, I think to be very honest, I only had the concept in my mind. Then when you guys come out, right? But then obviously on the set, जो हुआ है, जो magic हुआ है, and also hats off to the who's the guy who shot the Chintamani, yeah. I mean, he also understood my vision of it, and he understood the color scheme that I had in mind. So having that connect is not an easy thing. Like, I've looked at so many interviews online of people talking about how they produce and direct films, and they struggle with this even today. But हमारा first debut में ही वो जो jackpot लगा ना.
The synergy between those Makhan Film people and Speed of Sound was one of the best things that happened.
Yeah, absolutely. So that
was
very.
The fact that we were inside the water, the fact that we were in doing something that was also new for us, it takes a lot on his part to make someone feel comfortable. And I've seen people, because it's not their job, but he made sure, because he understands that energy translates off onto the camera. So he was very professional and astounding. Very beautiful job.
No, that's awesome. And
he adapted to all the situations. That's what I couldn't say, because lunch break, then the time management, lunch break, then adapting to the fact that Akshay does not remember his lyrics. So then how do we shoot that? So then he adapted to all the situations. He had all the solutions in mind.
Right.
So then.
No, definitely.
That helped really. It really helped, yeah.
And obviously, see, when it's your debut thing, mistakes happen. People stole lunches and all, okay, because they thought कि यार ये तो सबके लिए होगा, पूरे staff के लिए होगा. So dealing with those situations for us was also a big learning. And now that we know all that, we are ready for the next thing. So there's a huge thing happening again. And we're very excited about it.
In the near future, not in the next 1 or 2 months, but in the near future. Yeah.
But it's building up.
Can I point out something very distinct? I think that one thing that I feel is very unique about Speed of Sound, especially maybe because of the way you guys approach it, is trust. I feel like you guys have a lot of trust in the people that you're working with, and in the fact that it will all work out well. That's very rare. Most of the people are control freaks, which is good to be in a way, but I feel like I remember I was doing this exact Zoom call and I told you guys that it's going to be like this, it's going to be like a close up and stuff, and you could barely understand anything with me saying how it's going to be like this. And I said I will do a rehearsal and I'll show you a video, and trust me, you'll be fine. And you did trust me. And then when you finally saw the video, you were like, okay, we got it. Like, you completely blindly trusted my vision. And for me to have that, and I to have that confidence from you guys was something that was very rare and very encouraging, because that is the only reason it came out the way that it did. If you would have made me doubt my own vision or be like, nahi samajh raha hai, nahi, maybe this, maybe that, it wouldn't have flown as organically as it did. And I feel like you guys really stand out because of how much you put a 10 on every person's head in your team, and I think that's great.
I think that's a good thing, and we have to learn from it, bro. We can't just trust people again like that.
No, I don't feel a bad way at all.
It's not always the same. Trust me, Alisha. I'll tell you one thing. See, the connect that we had on the first Zoom call was only the fact that I was trusting you so much with it. Okay, see, right? It's not like we see. For example, we are working with a lot of people in the next thing coming up. But the thing is कि वो bond नहीं बनता ना, तो वो trustworthiness नहीं आता. You can't just blindly go and say that. Oh, so because I understood what, I also showed you a video of my friend in the UK who was also going to be a part of this, and then she danced, and then you were like, this is exactly what I am also into, and this is also what I'm like thinking of, in terms of composing the dance. So I think that connect and that bond is what's key. Right, so because of that, I said, "Ki, yare, nahi karegi, Alisha karegi." And we also looked at your project.
Word of mouth, right? Like, I mean, Aki and Sid both, I know both of them recommended me. So like you were, it was not like a complete strange connection of who's Alisha, who you don't know anything about her and if she's good or not. Because two people who you look up to and who know of me would recommend that there has to be something, and then if I would recommend someone, so then they have to be like. So there's this lot of trust in choices that we make.
You are the first name on their tongue when we ask them, "Koi dancer hai kya Bombay mein for a shoot?" And you are the first name.
And she was the first name on my tongue. Like I thought, the funny thing was she is associated with a company, and because she has her own company schedules, we are very close, and like she's the first dancer that comes to my mind who's like versatile and really talented. But I wasn't sure if she would be able to, and it just so happened that so I was just like, okay, now my options are limited because there are very few really I wouldn't say like really skilled in terms of to do justice to the vision that is on an international level dancers in India, properly trained. So for me to like think from that, then like my heart was full when I figured that she can incorporate it in her schedule and do it, because like nothing like you don't want to compromise. Even you guys wouldn't want to compromise on your vision. Similarly, I didn't want to.
Oh, absolutely, yeah. No, it was an amazing thing. Yeah.
But that's the best thing. हर रोज jackpot नहीं लगता, so we have to learn from that.
Oh yeah.
हर रोज jackpot नहीं लगता, because वो synergy बैठ गई and then the trust was there. नहीं तो अगर jackpot नहीं लगा होता, it would have ruined the video.
So we were very lucky, actually.
Yeah, we were very fortunate. I think we all came with like good hearts, good intentions, and just wanting to really make this the best that it can be, and that it just worked.
And I think we all had manifested of like a result, and we're all going towards it.
Everyone had a vision,
and that's what's important. Like at least like the both of us made everyone feel like this is your problem. This is not our problem.
I think you remember, Alisha. You remember the first Zoom call we had? That was the first thing I told her. It's your project.
Yeah. It's like this belongs to you and it is ours, and we have to work together to achieve a certain goal. So I think that also brings a lot of skill and confidence. Yeah, obviously confidence.
Yeah, because you actually give us the space and the power to feel like it's our project. You give us that weight, and it's not just for saying it's your project. You actually allow us to feel like it's ours. So then we can also, and we want to also put in that much. It's amazing.
Yeah. No, absolutely. So, anything else you want to add?
I think that's it. I think that's enough.
Yeah, right. So, anything else, Alisha, you want to say?
Anything else, Raji?
Yeah, you guys can say something together.
Any last thoughts?
Yeah.
Last thoughts. Yeah. I can't specifically think of
Something?
I just want to say that I'm really glad that this was my first ever industry and music video experience. I'm so glad that this was the first one, because it went so well. It was so smooth. Everyone was so great, and I'm just very glad that this was my first experience for me to step inside the industry.
Industry. Yeah, absolutely. Same here. ऐसा नहीं कि हम लोग यशराज हैं.
We are very proud of we are very proud of this project. Yeah.
Oh yeah, no, definitely.
Yeah. I also feel very fortunate that this is my first ever vision out there, because I'm just feeling very overwhelmed that I got so, because I'm telling you, I mean, I've worked here. There is it's very rare to have the freedom to have your vision exactly how you envisioned it be portrayed out there. It's very rare. So I am so lucky and so fortunate that my first was this. I'm also a little bit spoiled because of that, but not really. So yeah.
We'll surely do more collaboration.
Oh yeah, sure. So we have made a network now, so that's not a problem.
Yeah.
We have a पूरा team बन गया है. So next time we want to do something like that, we have
a team ready.
Yeah, bro. So definitely.
Yes,
yeah?
It would be a pleasure.
Yeah, no, same here. Thank you. Thank you so much, you guys, for to come on the call and discuss the process and everything. So it's pretty cool, and we look forward to having more Zoom calls and more collabs. So yeah.
Please, yes,
we would
please. love to add a vision and
collaboration somewhere else outside India. 100%. Yeah, because I don't know if we'll be coming back once we go.
You're not coming back, huh? Alisha? We are fed up. We're not coming back to India.
Please take us with you. I also don't want to come.
Hey, hi Dharma. Hi Abhinav. How are you guys doing? I'm doing great. How are you guys?
Not bad, yeah. Not bad. We are just so excited to know from you. Your entire experience with the song and the excitement and everything. Like I just want to listen to you talk. Tell us about it.
So, like, I think it was around 2 months back when you contacted me, and
Yeah.
I had no clue how this project was gonna go ahead. But like when you said like you wanted me to record some vocals, and you gave me the best part was like you gave me the freedom to do whatever I wanted to do with that. So I was quite happy about it, and I remember while recording I was like kind of trying out what will work out, what won't work out, the harmonies, the riffs and runs. That was very exciting, and I in overall enjoyed the creative process of like making that track, and it was beautiful experience. And then after a few days, you surprised me, telling me, "Oh no, who has sung for the track?" And I was like, "Oh my god!" Like, I don't know. I thought, okay, maybe you're not serious. Maybe you're just like kidding with me or like something. But then when I heard, when I saw the whole project, it was, yeah, oh my god, it's like the most amazing moment of my life, and I was so happy. And even my family members were so happy. Like this was such a big opportunity for me and them as well. So, yay!
The most beautiful part of this entire thing was when I saw your uncle's comment on the video. I think he said Sundaram's daughter is going to places. Like I felt like wow, like I've really like it's been such an amazing collab that way. Like it's actually shot up, and like you got the opportunity to be with him. Alongside his voice, and so all in all, yeah, it was amazing to have you, and actually fucking cool. Yeah, it's a damn good opportunity for us also to have you on board, and also he was thrilled when he looked at your AR Rahman video. You do your own performance, and then you have the interview after that.
The opera part.
The opera,
amazing.
He was astounded. He's like, Dharma, you have the best people, man. So it was amazing.
Thank you so much. It was amazing. Like I think if you take like A.R. Rahman and Shankar Mahadevan, they both are like legends of music industry that we have today, and it is like in one lifetime I am getting to work with both of them with like such a short span of time. So I think it's a very beautiful experience and a very great opportunity that I have got here. So that was great. And a special thanks to you guys for making this happen in spite of all the hurdles and setbacks, especially with the COVID and everything. And you guys still managed to pull this through. So congratulations.
But I have one thing to say. See, whatever we've done, that's a different thing. But secondly, your work speaks. So it's all because of your hard work that you're getting to do something like this.
Yeah, I think like it's just like the vibe of like every hardworking person kind of connects with the other hardworking person, and it just kind of turns out to be a great project.
Yeah, exactly. That's exactly what happened, to be very honest. It was it was amazing, and even Shankar Mahadevan said that her voice is like an angel's voice.
Yeah.
So that itself was like pretty cool, to know.
When we also told Siddharth, he asked us who's the one who's singing the first part, and I think he knew you. He might have heard your name. That's what he was saying.
Probably.
Yeah,
probably. He might know some other Divya here. Or I don't know, we actually might have heard your voice, you never know. But like you see how the networking grows now. See now, like tomorrow if Siddharth Mahadevan has a project to do, he'll know who Divya Iyer is. Right? Because he's like, oh yeah, she also featured in the track that I was featured in. So that's actually a great thing to have, and I think collaboration is what the aim of Speed of Sound is, right? That's exactly what we are moving forward. Our new track is coming up very, very soon, right? And that is another blockbuster.
And I'm really looking forward for that track as well.
Yeah. So again, like it's just amazing to see how India is slowly coming to a level where they have this international collaborative mindset and the kind of aptitude for that. So I think that is a big thing. That's a very important value that has been added. And I think Speed of Sound Records can only go up. And we are more than proud to have it grow. So yeah, there's so much more that we want to do with you in terms of the work, and like we want to collaborate again with you. So I can't wait. Like seriously, I can't wait.
Same here.
I'll tell you one more thing. People tell me that you should go to Adele and all. I'm like, listen, I have an Adele who's coming up in India itself. So you don't give me all that.
Oh, Dharma, that's so sweet. Thank you so much.
So like
I
we
am
know the
also-
value, of what all this is. And Amit the start hai, Divya, you just need like it's a movement that is good. So you just have to like wait.
And I think it's a very
coming a little
beautiful
slowly, but
initiative.
that's how it works. That's how it works in India.
And I think it's also a very beautiful initiative of like, bringing artists from different places and like, making a collaboration. Like even with this track, if you see, there were like so many varieties. Like there was Western vocals, there was classical alap going on, and then there was rap, and it was beautifully blended. Like even with the instrumentation, there were like so many different instruments. Like and it was also produced like there were like electronics being used in the track. So I think it's a very beautiful initiative, and this
No,
will
I
only
think
go
even
forward.
Samsung did a great job of with the soundscaping
Yeah.
and beats.
There were 178 tracks. I never knew. This was the first time. I saw a song being built from a scratch. So when I got to know there are 178 tracks,
Yeah.
I was like, and then it gets narrowed down to one track. I don't know how it works, but then it was something very different for me. It was a very different experience for me.
It's just very beautiful, and creating something like this from the beginning, and like and it turning out to be such an amazing product and like such an amazing piece of music. That's really amazing, to be able to witness something like this.
Right.
So yeah, great.
No, but thank you again so much, Divya, for being a part of it. And there's many more opportunities to come. And I think that's all, man. I want to end it now.
Now, once again, thank you so much for your
Yeah.
contribution.
Yeah, and I hope
And
we get to launch you again with a bigger artist. So yeah,
Well, thank you so much, guys, for this opportunity. This was amazing. It's like a dream come true, and thank you so much. You guys also did an amazing job, and congratulations to you too.
thank you so much, Divya. All right, I'm gonna see you soon again. Sure.
Yes.
Right. So all the best and take care. And thank you again. Bye.
Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.